Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bitfinex application on your smartphone. Before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then you might want to open up the App Store. Since we're on Android, let's go ahead and open up the Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store, go ahead and search for Bitfinex. After typing it in, tap on the search button. Now you will find the Bitfinex application. Once you find the application, tap on the Install button. Once you tap on Install, the application will begin to download. Wait for the download and installation to complete and then tap on the Open button. This will open up the Bitfinex application. It will take some time for the application to load up for the first time, but after a little wait, you will be able to log in or sign up. First of all, choose between Pro and Lite version. Then you will be able to sign up or log in into your account. And this will now allow you to trade crypto from your smartphone. So that is how you can install the Bitfinex application on your smartphone. If you find this video useful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to be notified with more videos just like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.